Experiencing a side repeater camera not working error in your Tesla Model 3? These cameras are crucial for autopilot, blind spot monitoring, and overall safety. We'll diagnose and address the common cause, wiring issues. By early 2026, Tesla has addressed some issues through software updates and hardware recalls, but physical problems still exist, especially in high-mileage cars. The Fender camera is a high-resolution CMOS sensor located in the front wheel well liner. This placement allows it to capture critical blind spot information for the vehicle's safety systems. The camera connects to the vehicle's central computer through a CAN bus wiring harness. This network allows the camera to transmit data in real time for processing by the vehicle's autopilot and safety systems. This high-resolution sensor captures a 180-degree side view, helping the vehicle monitor blind spots and maintain proper lane positioning during autonomous driving. The wiring harness location in the wheel well makes it susceptible to several problems. Wiring degradation from wheel movement, water ingress from road conditions, and occasional software glitches can all cause the camera to malfunction, triggering error messages in the vehicle's system. Start with a simple software reset via Tesla's diagnostic menu. This often resolves 30 to 40% of Fender camera issues. Use the Tesla app to check for error codes, such as 0xC00A, which indicates camera failure. A multimeter can test harness continuity. Resistance should be under 1 ohm between pins. If these steps fail, further physical inspection is needed. Reference the wiring harness for better understanding of the system. To physically inspect the wiring harness, start by disconnecting the vehicle's battery for safety. This prevents any electrical issues during the inspection. Next, carefully remove the fender liner to access the wiring harness underneath. Use appropriate tools and follow Tesla's service guidelines. Once exposed, visually inspect the wiring for common issues like frayed wires, corrosion on connectors, or damaged insulation. Handle all components gently to avoid causing further damage to the wiring or connectors. Tesla service centers now use reinforced wiring harness kits that include waterproof seals and strain relief clamps for better durability. The Fender camera is crucial for the vehicle's autopilot and safety systems, capturing blind spots and assisting with lane keeping and collision avoidance. Here's a simplified diagram of the wiring harness connections. Each colored wire serves a specific function in the camera system. If the wiring harness is damaged, replacement is necessary. Start by gathering your materials. A new harness costing about $200 to $300, dielectric grease, and zip ties. Always disconnect the battery and high-voltage components first to avoid electric shock. Begin by disconnecting the battery and any high-voltage components for safety. This prevents electric shock during the repair process. Next, remove the old wiring harness by unplugging it from the connectors. Inspect for any visible damage like exposed wires or corrosion. Now connect the new wiring harness. Apply dielectric grease to the connectors to prevent moisture ingress and corrosion. Plug in the new harness securely. Finally, secure the harness with zip ties to prevent movement. Then recalibrate the camera system through the vehicle's service mode to ensure proper functionality. To prevent future Fender camera issues, regularly apply dielectric grease to electrical connectors. This creates a protective barrier against moisture and corrosion. Additionally, ensure the wiring harness is securely fastened with proper strain relief to prevent wear from vehicle movement. Looking ahead, Tesla is implementing predictive diagnostics that monitor wiring health through vehicle data. Future models may feature self-healing wiring systems with advanced materials that repair themselves. Automotive experts foresee a rise in AI-assisted diagnostics, where cameras automatically calibrate using machine learning, reducing the need for manual repairs. While DIY repairs can address many Fender camera issues, there are times when professional service is essential. Warranty claims require official documentation and validation from Tesla technicians. Complex electrical problems or recurring issues after your own fixes also necessitate expert attention to ensure safety and proper functionality. Professional service offers certified expertise with specialized tools, ensuring warranty coverage and guaranteeing your vehicle's safety systems work correctly. For professional assistance, visit tesla.com/service or call Tesla's service line at 1-888 518-3752. In conclusion, maintaining your Tesla Model 3's Fender cameras is crucial for optimal autopilot functionality and overall vehicle safety. Regular checks and timely repairs help prevent issues and keep you driving confidently.